Bro, no. Let me play the Rip Squad. I forgot to play the Rip Squad songs. Um, wait a minute, guys. I'm preparing. So here we go. You know, what is it going to? Rip Squad. Mm-mm, 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 mm-mm. Hey, what's up, everyone? How are you? Okay, I think we're live today. So, how are you guys? Um, yeah, back to the live again. I, I was sick. So I can live yesterday. Then I'm back. So, how are you guys? Um, you know, I learned a lot of things today, and as usual, I'm going to report my experience in this life again because it's good, to journaling, but I prefer to just spit it, spit my experience here. So, shit, because as you can see right now, it's a new look. Um, I s- I set my table to be higher so I can um so I can God so I can standing while playing computer. All right, because sit is kind of bored to me, so I think I try something new, and um it's kind of comfortable to me even for the first time, and I can be more flexible. I can like jump around here, and then I can do squat. It's very great, for your um, I don't know, for your body, I think. um, so yeah, and today I got a lot of class, and um, I learned a lot about one class called writing one. For the other class, I didn't like learn anything. It's just like bullshit as usual, and you know, and I went to a coffee shop today. Like, I want to try different ones, different situation, and I didn't feel comfortable at all at like coffee shop because first one is the coffee is too damn expensive. Like shit, it was like $30,000. I mean 30,000 rupiah. And for me, it's kind of expensive. I can I can like make 100 coffee from that money. 30,000. Like God, I'm serious, bro. I can do that anymore. And um, I think it's time to make a conclusion that I don't want to like going to the coffee shop again. Not only because like the coffee is expensive, and it's not about money, but this situation. I went to a coffee shop that for me it's like kind of comfortable. You got couch, you got Wi-Fi, you got anything in there, like. But I don't feel like I am working there. I don't feel like my creativity is like working as usual. I'm working in my bedroom, you know, um, and I can like talking while I'm working because um, I used to talk when I when I'm, creating something. So I can do that in public because it bothers some people. So I came to the conclusion that I will never work in, around people, because it's not comfortable at, except I willing to work with people if those people are, have the same task to do, like have the same thing to do, but if random people, no fucking way, I won't gonna do that again. So I'm grateful I experienced that kind of thing, so yeah. that's that's my thing. And um right now um I got this idea. The idea is like, um you can always accept yourself as you are, but um you still um you still can improve, like acceptance and improvement, it's kind of like something that contradict, acceptance and improvement. And the contradiction itself, for me, it's beautiful, so in in the practice, the idea of like improvement and acceptance, it makes me, it makes me really feel really feel this world, really feel people around me, so I can be like really mindful, because I don't have to trying to be like anything, so I can be anything I want, without trying to prevent it, or without trying to um, make like boundaries for myself, not to become uh, not to become something that I really wanted. So in, like anywhere, I feel like more alive, because I can easily uh, moving on from something, if I got something terrible, uh, I can easily um, accept it. Yeah, I can easily accept it, and then I still have a chance to improve, and it makes me like not focus on something that I don't really like to pay attention to. It's kind of complicated for me to explain, especially in English, because I still improve. I'm still improving my English. So if I get more fluent at English, maybe I'm going to deliver this idea again. So yeah, I think that's all my journal for today. So let's get started to the main point. Why am I streaming? I want to continue to learn about JavaScript algorithms and their structure from FreeCodeCamp. Shout out to FreeCodeCamp. You can also learn here. Uh, it's a free course, and it's really good because it based on not only like theory, but you can practice along with learning. So it's balanced, and I think it's the best course I've ever enrolled. Yep. So let's get started. We're going to change the music. We're not getting into Blady and Rip Squad anymore. We're going to change something something more low frequency. It's kind of hot here, but I don't give a shit. I'm sweating right now. And the screen, it's not too that like fit to my face, so it's kind of hard, man, to like let me fix this first. Yep, so I can easily, okay. Let's get started. I think I'm going to learn this for what, I don't know, if I get bored. Oops, if I get bored, I prefer to stop and doing something new. I mean, doing something else. All right, 25 minutes. No, don't track it. Just let it flow. I prefer. Okay. So we got in the. Okay, we're still styling the this, what is it called, roleplay game. So we still not make this button function. We're still styling. It's kind of bored, but whatever. Give your monster stats element the same border and padding as your stats element. Stats element, border and padding. Okay. And then, okay, border. Oh, I've written this. Padding and set its color to FFF and give it a. Okay, I've written this, so yeah, just for now, hide your monster stats element with the display property. Do not change any of the hide your element with the display property. Do not change any of other styling. Display. How can I do that? Like display hidden or known. Do not change any. Yep. Right. Like that. Display known. Next, give your stat padding right. Okay. Stat padding right. 10 pixel. 100. Let me see 100. Oh, so that padding right. Okay. Stat. Where is it? Oh, it's different than. Pardon me. Sorry. Stat. Where is it? Oh, this one. Health. Okay. Pardon me. Stat. Yeah. Okay. I need to get more like. Oh shit. This. You know. In a previous live stream, like. For the. Like, you know, before my. In the previous live stream, there is no something like this, you know. I can just easily click ask me later and do not like wait until it fully load. So I think I'm going to get some water, and I need to make this, you know, this stand is more higher, because so I can, so the screen is just like, you know, fit into my face, and I think I don't need like this music, because I don't want to use I don't want to use the headset. But for me, um, working while standing right like this, it's comfortable, and unless the screen is like fit into my face, like it fit in front of my face, you know. So we make it this heading to 10 pixels. Finally, you will need to add some style for your buttons. Start by setting cursor property to pointer. It's already, oh, it's not pointer yet. So which element? Okay, so the button elements, where is it? Button element. Stat? No. I think this below. What's the name? Go to store. Fight dragon. Button 3. Wait. Controls. I think it's in the controls. You're right. Okay. Controls. I'm fucking sweating, yo. Let me fix the fan. All right. I feel like I need like air conditioner, you know, because it's very hot, man. But I'm used to it. I will used to it. Setting the cursor property to pointer. Cursor to pointer. Then set the next color to this color. I believe it's gold color. No, it's not. Oh shit, controls. Controls. I think I... Really? Where is it? Okay. Controls. This one, right? Okay, whatever. Background color. So this one. Oops. What? Is it? Oh, button select. I thought it was using like this selector, yo. Controls. And then button. Okay. Okay, I'm wrong. Yep. Why is it like not using you know, the display, it's hard to read. It makes me like dizzy, man, like this shit. I prefer to write in VS Code, but which one color, man? Like, I thought it was using this one, like, so use button. Okay, fine. Then set the background image property linear gradient. Background image property. Blind typing. Oh. almost right. Blind typing. Oh, nice gradient. Lastly, set the border to 3 pixels solid. So much color in here. Blind typing border. Oh, perfect. Border to, what if 30? Oh, I see. So the border solid. Okay. Boom, boom. I like it. I like the button style. It's very classic, retro. Just like you did with the buttons, it creates variable for the following ID and use query selector. For the following ID. Wait. Just like you did with the buttons. Okay, create variables for the following ID and use query selector to give them an element as a value. Text, XP text, health text, gold text, monster stats, and monster name. Remember to declare this with the const keyword and name the variables to match the IDs. Okay, so I actually still don't understand what is the difference between let and const. I mean, like the function, not like the. Wait, what is this? And why is it using a square bracket? And what is this? There is no okay, so just variable. There's no value. What value? You know, like what is the function of this value? Like 50. Okay, so it says 50. How about in the is there, oh, it's also okay. So what's the point of this? And then let fighting, I still don't really understand, but let's learn along with this something that I don't really understand. So just going to copy paste this. We got 5 6 6. I prefer to use the VS Code because it's more like fast. And I'm going to copy this. One, two, three, four, five, six. What? It's too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Text. Document query selector. Text. XP text. You know, man, actually I ran from my project because my project is kind of hard to me, so I make an excuse me, you know, to instead learn something in FreeCodeCamp. I actually don't really like it because it's kind of repetitive to me, like something like that, something like this. Yeah, monster stats. And then last name we got monster name. Hope y'all copy paste it. Okay. Come on, man. Like, I want to learn JavaScript, not fucking. Oh yeah, this is JavaScript. Okay, so why is there so much variable? First one we got button 1, button 2, button 3, which is this one, and then we got text. Like what text, like specifically, we got text. Where is it? It's hard to read, dude. Like, it's so fucking scramble. So this text, okay, this text. Then we got XP text. This one, XP text, health, gold, monster stat. And this one. Am I already writing monster state? Where is it? Monster stats. Oh, okay. Monster names, health, and that's it. Monster name and health. Okay. Yeah. Monster name. Where is monster health? There's no monster health here. Monster health. Monster stats. Monster name. But there is no monster health in this variable. Fuck it, I don't care. Oh yeah, finally. Monster health is great. Like, why not like just like previous, like why should I like currently use to get monster health element because you have a bitch. Okay. Monster health, 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 monster health. Okay, done. Oh, text. What? Oh, no text. You got it. Okay. Functions are special tools that allows you to run sections of code at specific times. You can declare functions using the function keyword. Here's an example of a function called function name. Note the opening and closing curly braces. Okay. Alright. Note the opening and this indicates the section of code that is within the function. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Functions are special tools that allow you to run sections of code at specific times. You can declare functions using the that allow you to run sections of code at specific times. You can declare functions using the function keyword. Here's an example of a function called function name. No, tidak apa blah blah blah. Okay, function. You can run a section at a specific time. For now, make your GoStore function output the message going to store. Ooh. Function name, console log, hello world. So if I run this code, it will show you go to store. You got it. So console.log braces and then going to the store. Don't forget to add quotation mark, going to the store, and then close it with semicolon. What? Console log. You should have a console going to store, not going to the store. Going to store. So can I run it? Not yet, because the GoStore isn't like anywhere. Like there's no GoStore here, so we have to connect the GoStore, function to this button one. That's my assumption. I don't really know like exactly. Okay, we create another function here, so we just have to copy this, paste it, go to the fucking cave. Going to cave. Okay. Right, so I'm assuming this function will connect into these 3 buttons. I bet I'm right. Now create fight dragon. Yeah, this is exactly what I thought. Fight dragon. The camel case is really cool. I don't know why. Fighting dragon. Oops. So how do I connect that function? I already know how to command. Commands allow you to add notes to your code in JavaScript. Single line comments, blah blah blah. What? Single line comments can be written with and multi-line comments. Oh, I prefer multi-line comments. What is this? Add a single line comments says initialize buttons. What does it mean? Like, what does initialize mean? It's what is this? Okay, single line. So you want the single line, so here the single line, you son of a bitch. Where's the stars, and boom. What? Single line like this, single line. Yep. You made this look easy. Yes, it is easy, bro. How do I connect this? Come on, man. Like, okay, this one, I guess. Button 1 represents your first button element. These elements have a special property called onClick. Finally, I learned about onClick, because in my previous website, I don't really know what the onClick is, but I am surprised that it could open another tab in another content, like a new content. So it's time to understand this elements. Special, oh, property, not elements. These elements have a special. So this is elements, this is property. Button 1 represents your first button element. These elements are on click, which you can use to determine what happens when someone clicks that button. Okay. It's a drink. Right. Okay. You can access properties in JavaScript a couple of different ways. The first is with notation. Here's an example of using dot notation to use. Okay, on click property to button function. Okay, so button dot on click equals my function. In this example, button is the button element, and my function is a reference to a function. When the button is clicked, my function will be called. Alright, and use dot notation to set the on click property of your button 1. Okay, button 1 dot on click equals go to store. Go store. Note that button 1 is already declared, so you don't need to use let or const. Alright then. So the button 1, this one, where's the function? Oh, this one. Alright. So it will, let me read it again. You can access properties in JavaScript a couple of different ways. This is the dot notation for this example of using dot notation. In this example, button is the element, yep, button 1, and my function is a reference to function, so which it is go to store function, go to store. So this example is function, my function. Console log is to print it, going to store. So going to store. Button is the button element. My function is the reference. Is a reference to a function. Reference to a function. When the button is clicked, my function will be called. When the button is clicked, so the button 1 is clicked, so GoStar will click. When the button is clicked, my function will be called. So GoStar will be called. So already work. Go to store. Goes to store. Console. Goes. Oh, it works. Go to store. Go to store. Go to store. Go to store. Shit, it works, man. Like, okay. Using the same syntax. What is syntax? Set the on click properties. Oh, so this is the syntax. Yep. Syntax is like a sentence. Set the on-click properties of button 2, button 3, go cancel up. Once you have done that, you can go and try to clicking buttons on your project. I already clicked that shit, okay? So we are going to change this right here. Button 2, 3, and we're going to go to cave and fight dragon. Fight. Oh, dragon. Where is it? Okay, let me check. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, it works. So whenever you click this button, the button will call the this element. What this property? I don't know which one is property, which one is element, but I believe that this is the element. I guess I don't know. I forgot, man. Like fuck, my memory is so fucking short. I didn't really pay attention to that. Like okay, the inner text property controls the text that